ain't beating the allegations no more.
Well, well, well.
What was Grandma like?
Shows this video.
This just set us back 15 years!
I said oh 2 times. Knocked every single thought right out of his head.
I like this kind of man, whatever it's called.
Concussed. I think it's concussed.
Ice cubes don't melt from the inside. I don't know what that means yet, but it does sound tough.
Bro found the answer before the question.
It means that ice cubes melt from the outside.
Wait, I feel something poetic forming in my brain.
What formed?
Nothing yet, but I'm getting there.
And a wise person once said, women live longer than men.
Dishwasher versus dishwasher.
Is the dishwasher okay?
Which one? She wasn't ready, bro. The fact you sliced it open as if the inside was still going to be most tells me that you're a hopeful person.
Lolly.
Ragabate community has gone too far. If a man and a woman had a child.
Two-Face 2099. My guy pretty like a girl.
How it feels to be non-binary.
Digital footprint, my dude.
Bro, that's yo, sis! Flying cars, they said.
Sometimes I wonder where my life went wrong to get this she recommended.
Excuse me, ladies. What are your favorite drinks?
Diet Coke. Dr. Pepper. Red Bull. Water.
Just water?
Yeah.
This is funny. I laughed.
This is funny. I laughed. It was more funny for me than the other dude.
This is funny. I laughed. I found this even funnier than that second guy. I might have fought harder than anyone else in the comments section, to be honest.
Damn, Backshot's got vertical grips.
Why are you taking it?
I think it's your boyfriend himself, just in disguise.
I got you something to remember, babe. Just like his dad.
Tecnologia.
Before. After.
Does this actually work?
Yes, why not?
I almost scrolled away. It was far too formal for my liking. But then, I saw a very casual man walking past, very casually.
Was scared this was a business meeting, but the man walking by made it really casual.
Looks very casual. Wouldn't have liked it otherwise. This video makes me feel it's casual.
It's so refreshing to see that casual man walking casually in a world full of formality.
Oh, it was windy. He in there knocking the sand out that. Knocking the sonic coins out her she.
As a wheelchair user, thank you for your service.
Girl, I thought you were dragging somebody!
Lighten up, take me on your map.
I did that and somehow I ghosted me. No pick where you use the lingerie. Your therapist is gonna need therapy after seeing this. 50 Shades of Loving Yourself. Did you tell the cashier that the bra was for you?
Bruh.